Excuse me, is the seat taken? Oh, no more, it's free. Go ahead. Thanks. I'm Alex, by the way. Nice to meet you. I'm Jamie. Nice to meet you too, Alex. Is this your first class with Professor Davis? Yeah, it is. I'm a little nervous, to be honest. I've heard his lectures are super intense but also really interesting. What about you? Same here. First time. I'm taking this class because my advisor recommended it. Said it's a must-take for anyone majoring in sociology. Is that your major too? Close. I'm majoring in psychology, but I'm minoring in sociology. I'm really fascinated by how society shapes individual behavior, so this course seemed like a perfect fit. That's awesome. We'll probably have a lot of overlapping interests then. Psychology is so cool. I almost went down that path myself. What made you choose it? I've always been curious about why people do the things they do. It started with just observing my family and friends, and then I got hooked on reading books about it in high school. It feels like solving a puzzle, you know? Totally. I get that. For me, with sociology, it was seeing those bigger patterns. Like, why do certain trends emerge? Or how do social structures impact our daily lives? It's like looking at the whole forest instead of just one tree. That's a great way to put it. I guess we're looking at the same picture from slightly different angles. Hey, have you had a chance to look at the syllabus yet? I glanced at it online, and the reading list looks extensive. Oh, tell me about it. I saw that. I was already starting to plan out my reading schedule for the whole semester. Some of those book titles look really heavy. Are you from around here, by the way? Or did you move here for college? I'm actually from about 3 hours away, a much smaller town. Coming to the city for university was a big change, but I love it. There's always something to do. How about you? Are you a local? Yep, born and raised right here. I can give you a tour sometime if you like, show you all the best non-touristy spots for coffee or cheap eats. I would love that. Seriously, that'd be amazing. I know just the place. It's a little hidden gem. So, besides our intense reading list for this class, are you taking any other interesting courses this semester? Let's see. I'm in a cognitive psychology lab, which is pretty hands-on and fun. And I'm also taking an elective, Introduction to Film Studies. I needed something a bit more creative to balance out all the theory and the research papers. Film Studies. That sounds so cool. I love movies. Any favorites? That's a tough question. I'm a big fan of classic thrillers. Hitchcock is my guy, but I also love modern sci-fi. What about you? What's your go-to movie genre? I'm all over the place. I love a good comedy, but I'm also a sucker for historical dramas. Anything that lets me escape for a couple of hours. Maybe we could catch a movie sometime after we survive our first midterm. Deal. It'll be a good way to de-stress. Oh, looks like the professor is here. It was really nice meeting you, Jamie. You too, Alex. Glad we're in this class together. Let's definitely exchange numbers after class so we can coordinate on that coffee tour. Andy, you know, form a study group to survive this reading list. Perfect. Sounds like a plan. Thanks so much for watching our conversation. We hope you found it helpful for your own English practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to have you join our community. See you in the next one.